Hello and welcome to the Reiki Gem Wellness channel. Today we're going to be talking about the top 4 crystal wisdom benefits of working with red calcite, the stone of enthusiasm. And for those who have watched my videos before, welcome back. And for those who are new to the channel, my name is Shannon. I'm a certified Reiki master and teacher and a certified gemologist, and I combine those skills and passions to provide you with the knowledge, the tools, and the opportunities to practice incorporating crystal wisdom into your everyday life. And today we're going to be talking about how you can use red calcite to make some real changes in your life, how it can support you in your everyday life situations. And red calcite is a member of the calcite family. I have done many different videos on the different colors of calcite. So if there is a color that you're interested in that you haven't seen on the channel, you can use the search option in the channel to search for that color. There's like 8 different colors of calcite, and I'm working my way through them all. So red calcite is this gorgeous, deep red color. And it connects with our root and our sacral chakras. And it is the stone of enthusiasm. And the first benefit of working with red calcite is the same for all of the calcite members, in that calcite is very cleansing. Sitting with any of the members of the calcite family allow you to really get your energy flowing, to release anything that you don't need in your life, to release negativity, stagnant energy, overwhelming emotions. It helps you release that out of your system. It also helps in cleansing spaces, in areas, to help it feel fresh and awake and alive. And that's what red calcite in particular brings to this cleansing. It really helps brighten up a room. It gives it energy. It helps it feel awake. It's a really great stone to use in a space that you might be having a gathering with, a party, something that you want uplifting. It's also great to use in your workout room, because it helps give you that energy to work out and to get your body moving. So if a certain room in your house makes you feel tired or sluggish, then bringing red calcite into that room will help cleanse and refresh that energy and really help it feel alive and awake and expansive. Then the second benefit of working with red calcite is that all calcite amplifies energy. And this red calcite in particular, the color of red, is energy. It brings energy. So this stone really helps you feel alert and awake and alive. It's really great to help you get up and going in the morning. It helps you if you're putting off going to the gym. It helps in the afternoon, around 2-3 o'clock when you're starting to feel tired and sluggish. It helps pick you up and keep you going throughout the rest of the afternoon. So red calcite helps to boost energy, really get you moving, really help you feel awake and enthusiastic about your day. The third benefit of working with red calcite is that it really expands our love for life. This is a stone that ties in with the sacral chakra, which really boosts our passion. So it really increases our love and our lust for life. It helps us really appreciate not only the big, beautiful things in life, but the beauty in small, everyday activities, like drinking a cup of tea or coffee in your favorite chair in the morning, reading a good book, the view out your window, the routines that you have in life. It really helps to boost the passion for anything in our lives, whether it be a project, an event, a gathering, or a person. It really helps ignite our interest and our enthusiasm for that item. So if a project you're not all that excited about starting, you like the idea, but it's been hard to get started, then sitting with red calcite will help really bring out the excitement for the project. It helps us recognize the wonderful aspects of our life. And it's excellent to go with a gratitude journal to really be able to acknowledge and write down what brings us joy and happiness in life, like what makes life worth living. Red calcite helps us to recognize that. And then the fourth benefit of working with red calcite is that it reduces fear of the unknown. So if you're going to be doing something brand new, moving to a new city, starting a new job, going to a new school, starting a new relationship, anything that might give us anxiety because it's outside of our comfort zone, we don't know what to expect, then red calcite helps us to feel safe and comfortable as we explore something new. So this is great for any new venture in your life. If you've been really hesitant, like you've been interested in doing something new, it's really intriguing you, but it's scary to take that next step, or a concrete step towards something new, then red calcite really helps you feel safe, because that's how it ties in with the root chakra, to help us feel safe and secure. And these qualities of red calcite really help us have a full and satisfying life. If you're feeling down and your life is feeling a little dull, then red calcite really helps to brighten up your life, to help you recognize what you have loved in life, to reignite the excitement for those things, and to also expose you to new opportunities in life. It really wants you to live your fullest and brightest, most exciting life. So thank you so much for joining me to talk about red calcite. And if you feel like this is a gemstone that you would like to work with more, then in 2 days, on Friday, I will be posting a guided meditation designed specifically for red calcite. Now, you don't need a piece of the gemstone to benefit from the guided meditation, but if any of the points in this video or any of the prompts in the guided meditation really call to you, they feel familiar or trigger you a little bit, then that's a sign that you should get some red calcite and work with it some more. So thank you so much for joining me today. If you have been watching my videos and you haven't yet subscribed, then please do subscribe, because I talk about a different gemstone every single week. And you can learn so much about how the different crystals and gemstones can really support your life situations right now and bring lasting and real change. Thank you so much for joining me, and I hope to see you during the guided meditation.